What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing the part 2 of the cheese chase game. So I actually forgot to title it, so let me just go ahead. So far guys, we made it to that we can move the mouse, but we still need to work on like the fixing, because the cheese, once you touch it, it's not working. So we need to be working on that stuff. So for now, let's start off here. So what you're gonna do is, when green flag is clicked, forever, if it is touching the mouse one, then it should go to the variable and change the score, the capital score by 10, and also it should go to a random position. So oops. Okay, perfect. So we actually got it to work now, guys. I have no idea why it wasn't working last time. I really don't know, but it had the right script. But now that it is working, it's pretty good. So for the beetle, I'm also gonna be doing, if it's touching this color, it's gonna go back to it's gonna pick a random between this, because it's just like glitching over there. So let's see this. Okay, yeah, that is actually perfect now. So now we can actually control this. I'm gonna change the Y by -10, because it's kind of not like working properly. Okay, let's see this. Or we can do move by -10 steps. I don't know. Let's just see which one is gonna work properly. Okay, I feel like, okay, yeah, move is working actually way better. So I would say let's do move, guys. So move is working fine. Alright, now what you're gonna do is go to your beetle code, and you're gonna do, if touching the if I'm touching the mouse one, then we're gonna be making a we're gonna be making a new sprite. Not pick a sprite, we're going to be making a sprite. So it's just gonna say like game over, so game over, and you can make that bigger something, so bring it somewhere like here. Alright, that's perfect. So now what you're gonna do is, when green flag is clicked, make this hide, and now you're gonna go to your beetle and do, if it is touching that, it needs to broadcast message game over, and it's also gonna stop all. And then as soon as it gets game over, it's gonna show. So as soon as it does that, it's gonna show. So now what we want is like every time the player either reaches the high score, we want it to say like, yeah, you got the you beat the high score. So what you're gonna do is go to your you can just do it in the cheese sprite, and you're gonna go if, and go to your equal operators, grab an equal, and do, if my score equals to 480, and if it equals to that, then what it's gonna do is change the high score by 10. And then you guys can duplicate this like a lot of times. So if it equals to 490, score by 20, 400, 500, change the score by 30. So you guys can like keep on doing this forever and forever, until how much you think the player can actually get their high score to. So I'm just gonna keep it at this. And also when it says that, it's gonna like, there's gonna be a new sprite, and it's gonna say you beat the high score. high score. And oops, that is way too big. Bring that in here. Oops, big. Make it smaller. Alright, so something like this, and then we're gonna bring it down here. Okay, so what it's gonna do then is it's gonna broadcast a message. So it's gonna broadcast high score, high score. Oops, high score beaten. And when it does that, so just put it for each of this one, high score beaten, and for this high score beaten. And also when it's gonna do that, you want to stop all. So yeah, all right, we're gonna do this again. So actually, in that case, we only need the 480 because every time it's gonna do the high score, this is the only one that like it can do, because like this is the first one, and then if it does this, it's gonna beat the high score. So boom. All right, so now you can see this, and what you're gonna do here is when green flag clicked, it should hide, and then soon as it gets high score beaten, it's gonna show. And maybe we can put in like a sound here. So let's see, win. I'm gonna search in win, guys, and I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. So okay, let's start from here. Okay, actually, let's just do the whole thing. Okay, so when it does that, it's going to play sound win until done. So let's test this. Alright, so as soon as we touch the, okay, boom. So there we go. And now if we touch the cheese, you can see, okay, so it kind of glitches every time. So how about we do this? If it's touching the edge, which is gonna make it, oops. If it's touching the edge, it can like it can go to it can like go to the dead center. So that will make it like a bit better, because obviously that sucks, because it's just like gonna get stuck there, and then the user has to start again. So I think we should do this and then make it go back to the dead center. So that would be way better. So now let's see if it's gonna touch the edge. Okay, so boom. Alrighty, so that was it for the tutorial, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out for now. Bye.